Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. How are you all? So today we are going to share with you 5 simple and delicious rice recipes for kids which you can give as lunchbox, and these recipes are from Monday to Friday, so each day you can give a different option. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to get all the updates. So day one, we are starting with vegetable rice. Very easy. If you have rice which is ready, then it will barely take you 5 minutes to make this. So I have heated oil. You can use oil, ghee, butter, whatever you use. And then we have added garlic to it. To this I've added about 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, and we'll just saute it in the oil for about a minute, and then we'll add our vegetables. So here I have added some chopped capsicum, and we'll let it cook as well. As I always say, you can add whatever vegetables you have at hand. So here I'm adding some green beans and then some carrots. So we will saute all these vegetables nicely till they are a little soft. And once they have been cooking for about a minute, we add some salt. We'll add some pepper to it, and you can also add any other spices that you want to add. So we've added the pepper. By now the vegetables are quite almost 80% cooked. We also want a little crunch in the vegetables, so we do not want them to be like completely soggy. And then we just add the cooked and cooled rice. Whenever you want to fry the rice for any other dish, it is always best to keep it ready and then cool it down for some time, and then just mix everything well. And vegetable rice is absolutely ready. You can call it vegetable fried rice. And once you have mixed it well, it's ready to go into the lunchbox. The second recipe is mushroom fried rice. So again, I've taken some oil here in the pan, added some garlic to it, then the onion, and we'll saute it for about a minute till the onion has started becoming translucent. And we are doing this on medium to high heat, not very low heat. So once the onion is slightly cooked, I add the tomatoes. This particular rice comes out so delicious, and it's a very good option to give as a lunch item for your children. I've added the capsicum, chopped capsicum here. Just cook it for about 30 to 40 seconds. And then here I've added some more onion. So once the vegetables have cooked down a little bit, then we add the chopped mushroom. Now mushrooms, please make sure that you don't cut them too small, because they give out all the water once they start cooking, and then they become too small, so nobody will even realize that there are mushrooms in the rice. So cut them in medium sized pieces, and now we'll just saute them till they have cooked down. This we are doing in medium to high heat. You can also cover it for a couple of minutes and let the veggies cook down, because once we add rice, we do not really cook it much. So here I've added a teaspoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and we'll add other seasonings as well: salt, pepper, tomato ketchup. It is best to add the sauces at first and then adjust the salt later, because most of the sauces have some amount of salt, so you do not want to make it very salty. So just mix everything well. It looks quite nice. Now I'm adding the pepper, a little bit of water so that everything is nicely mixed up, and it also helps in mixing things well when you add the rice. So that finally we are adding cooked and cooled basmati rice to it. You can use whichever rice you want. Mix everything and it's ready. It is so delicious. I'm sure your child is going to love this. And here it is. The third recipe is lemon rice. Very, very popular in South India and really delicious and quick to make. So here I've heated the oil, and to that I've added mustard seeds. And I've used small mustard seeds, not the bigger ones. We also call it raidana. So once the mustard seeds start crackling, I've added one whole chili. Because we are making it for children, we don't want to chop the chili too fine, but it gives a nice taste. So once this has been cooked, it is easy for me to take the chili out. Then I've added some chana dal or the gram dal. Just about half a teaspoon, because we are making only one serving, and we'll let the dal cook as well. Again, half a spoon of urad dal as well. And we have to let both these dal cook till they are slightly colored. And then I'm adding the peanuts. You can also add cashew nuts. I've added a few here. You can add as many or as few. You can also omit them if you want. It's all up to your taste. So once they have cooked a little, then I've added a full sprig of curry leaf. Again, the reason is that it will be easier for me to simply pick it up and take it out, because my child does not like the leaves in her mouth. So I will simply pick up the chili and the curry leaves and take it out. And I've added the salt here. I always add salt before adding the rice, because I've seen that it gets mixed well. If sometimes you add salt later, it may not get mixed nicely. So now I've added juice of half a lemon. And finally we add the rice. You can also add turmeric at that point itself. I've added it later, but it's better to add it before. So just mix the turmeric, and lemon rice is absolutely ready. Very, very tasty. Just mix everything well, and it's ready to go into the lunchbox. Next we have corn and peas rice. This again is very quick and easy to make. So I've heated the oil. I'm frying some onion. The base is almost similar. We will fry the onion till they become a little translucent. We don't have to brown them at all for any of these recipes. And to them I'm adding parboiled corn and sweet corn and peas. You can also choose frozen corn or peas if you have, or you can partially cook both of them, both the things, and then add here. Add salt and water. and we have to allow both of these to cook completely. You can lower the heat and cover the pan and then let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You can add more water if needed. It's all up to you. You should know that the corn and the peas are completely cooked. I've added some pepper here. I generally do not add red chili powder in my daughter's food, but if you do, you feel free to add that. So all the vegetables are cooked now. Again, we just add the rice and mix everything well, and it will all be ready. Just mix it all. It looks so colorful and so delicious. And here you go. It's completely ready. Our final recipe is Jeera rice. The easiest of the recipes. Whenever you have some rice, even if you have leftover rice, you can use that. Very easy to make and goes with almost everything. So I've added ghee here. I've not taken oil. I've taken 1 teaspoon of ghee. I've added about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds to it, and I will let it crackle. And once it is crackling, I've added some salt to it because I want the oil or the ghee to become salted already so that it gets mixed well with the rice. Finally, we add the rice and then just mix everything well. It barely takes 2 minutes to make this if you have the rice ready. And you can serve it with any gravy that you have on hand. Once after mixing, it will just take 1 minute. And then I have packed it along with some kofta curry. And here we have all our 5 lunch boxes ready from Monday to Friday. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let us know. And if you enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget that this video is also available in Hindi. I'll put the link. If you're not a subscriber yet, do hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.